G'day, in this video I'm just going to explain to you how you can use our service to publish content and the best and smoothest process for making that happen. So as part of your support service, we can usually include publishing podcasts or blog posts, articles, videos, those sort of things onto your website, as long as you're supplying all the content. So our normal unlimited support service doesn't include editing the content or repurposing it or publishing it out onto social media platforms or anything like that. The promotion side of it is not part of the website itself. However, we do have another service for that. So if that's something that you require, reach out and have a chat to us, and we can work out a plan that's going to work for your needs. However, our service is ideal for if you're creating all of the content, putting it all together, and you just need someone to take care of publishing it on the website and making sure that it's all there, looks good, and it's live, and making that process easy for you. Then our service is great for that, and we can work to schedules. It's best if you can give us a couple of days or even a week is fantastic before it's scheduled to get promoted, so that we can have plenty of time to put it on there, check over it, let you have another check over it, and make sure that it's all fine and ready to be published. And it's best to work out a repeatable process that we can do and follow the same system every single time that we're publishing content for you. We can develop an SOP of what needs to be included in each article or each podcast episode. And it's typically having a feature image that's in the right dimensions and has the right kind of look to it. Things like having your title, your description, your SEO settings, the actual media itself supplied in the right format, and other things like that. We have found that setting up this system and getting it to just run smoothly often takes a couple of goes. You can't expect it to all work perfectly the first time around. It's going to take a little while to adapt and adjust to get that system running smoothly, because it just takes a little while for our systems to adapt to your systems and the type of content that you're creating and how you want it to be published. But once we get going, it is running smoothly, it can really take a lot of the time and effort off your and your team's workload to just hand that content over to us, and we'll know exactly how to deal with it and make sure that it's published at the right time. So it's best if you can supply content in things like Google Docs, or sharing us links to Drive folders or Dropbox folders, making sure that they're shared links, and giving us, typically we'll set up a Google Doc template that will have the bits of information that we need to add to the blog post or podcast episode to make sure that it's done the same way. Now, this is also a similar process if you have an e-commerce store and you're going to be adding products on a regular basis. If you have a store which changes products fairly regularly, it's best to have a sort of system and templated process set up so that we make sure that we get all the right categories and tags and pricing and shipping information and the images and all those bits and pieces. If we can create a template that's right for your business, and we can have a repeatable process, it just makes everything smoother for everyone. So I hope this has been helpful. If you want to take a workload off publishing content for your business, then reach out and ask us if it's going to be right for you. So support@tunedwp.com. Cheers.